Welcome back to Gadget Guru and the special gaming edition that we have for you this week. And let's turn our attention now to a laptop that's actually designed for gaming. Rajiv, I'm sure lots of people are going to be wondering why Dell decided to call this ALienware.
Yeah, I know. It's the first question that comes up.
Science fiction games.
Yeah, is it designed just for you or is it for the normal humanity also, right? No, I think it's the brand that they have to distinguish themselves. They bought this company out and stuff like that. But the important thing is that there is a gaming laptop. Predominantly two companies do it, Dell and HP. And most people said there is no market for a absolute standalone gaming laptop that has the best of everything, expensive stuff. But we've always said there is, and I think the success of this.
But I'm still trying to figure out, why would you necessarily buy a gaming laptop? Why not just get a console, or why not play? I mean, can you really game that well on a laptop?
But you're going into the classic war of PC versus console now. I don't think there's any difference. And
within PC, between a desktop and a laptop.
That's exactly what this replicates. That this is as good as any of those rigged up gaming desktops. Or does it? That's what we're going to find out. That's exactly
Can it ever match up?
Yeah, and how different is it from these super powerful normal laptops that we have? So this is the ultimate shootout in every way possible.
Okay, let's just take a look at it. Should you buy a dedicated gaming laptop or should you not?
We've seen all sorts of laptops before, but I'm sure the one I have today is going to blow you away. A laptop specifically for gaming fanatics. The Dell ALienware M17x. How different can it be from a similar looking laptop? Is there anything unique and special about a pure gamer's laptop? The battery life of both laptops is rather poor, so portability becomes a problem. But then with how heavy these laptops are, who's going to cart them around anyway? Rather, they work really well as desktop replacements. Dell seems to have got the speed and performance of its laptops just right. The M17x's high-end configuration of an Intel Core 2 Quad Extreme QX9300 and 1 TB of hard drive space means we are talking serious speed and performance. No wonder it's called a desktop replacement, but the Studio 17 cannot compare with the speed of the gaming laptop. With its CPU options that start from an entry-level 1.73 GHz Pentium dual-core T2370 and go up to a 2.5 GHz T9300, coupled with 4 GB of RAM, makes for a powerful performer which is great for normal multitasking use. Coming to graphics, the Alienware's graphics are just brilliant. What with its dual NVIDIA GeForce GTX 280M GPUs meant entirely to enhance the gaming visuals. The Studio 17's graphics obviously can't compete with a gaming laptop's graphic abilities, but with its Intel Graphics Media Accelerator X3100 plus a variety of NVIDIA and ATI cards and an optional ATI Mobility Radeon HD 3650, it is pretty good for the usual multimedia needs. So, the end conclusion you've been waiting for. The M17x is definitely the king of gaming hardware, what with its unusual speed and graphics, but can only be enjoyed to the fullest with the higher end configuration. The Studio 17 is also highly configurable, has a fairly standard set of components, but with a decent style quotient, it surely is a good mainstream laptop.
Okay, you may or you may not buy that particular laptop, but I'm sure if you are a gamer, accessories is something that you just love. So Karan's going to take us through a countdown of some of the top accessories.